Two little chefs. Today we will be making vegetable Okoy.
Vegetable Okoy. What do we need?
Go.
Egg, salt, onions,
Here.
squash, carrots,
Mushroom seasoning, cornstarch, and the last one is flour. First, we cut the squash into strips. We're almost done. Now we crack the eggs. Now we mix it. Want to mix? Mix.
No,
You mix it, you mix.
Not there, I'll do it.
Now we add the flour. Add the flour. There. Now we add the cornstarch. Go put it.
Water.
Here. There. Add salt and seasoning. Make it a bit thick. Open up your door and let me in. And now we will put the carrots and squash in the bowl here. Open up carefully. All. Now the onion. Me, I want to make it. Put more. Now we hit the pan and put the
We put the mixture
on the pan.
Put the mixture.
Papa, tomorrow can I be my assistant to cook? Open up here. Add Here's the finished product. Now we can eat.